Hey everyone. Welcome back to All About Knowledge. Bravery is a skill, and like all skills it can be learned, strengthened and mastered with repeated practice. We are all called to be courageous in different ways throughout the course of our lives. Here are 10 ways to live a more courageous life. 1. Embrace vulnerability. People who live fear-based lives often have little or no confidence in themselves. If you feel afraid of other people seeing who you are, open up and become more vulnerable. 2. Admit you have fears. In addition to opening yourself up to others, admit you have fears. Identifying what you are truly afraid of gives you the information you need to overcome the fears and insecurities. 3. Face your fears. Exposing yourself to your fears is a great way to overcome a phobia or fear. People who feel afraid of snakes often change their minds after handling snakes with the help of a trained professional. 4. Think positively. Part of a positive attitude is allowing others to love you and show you affection. If you are the kind of person who refuses favors, let others do nice things for you. 5. Reduce your stress. Sometimes you experience fear due to exhaustion. Make sure you eat well, get enough sleep and exercise. Take breaks and take your vacation time. We all need a break. 6. Demonstrate courage. Another important way to overcome fear is to show your courage. Take the time to help a person who is in a dangerous situation. Instead of ignoring a person in distress, call for help or take bold step to intervene. 7. No failure but press forward. If you fail, don't curl up into a ball or head to a metaphorical corner. Instead, keep moving forward. 8. Cope with risk and uncertainty. You can conquer your fears by learning to deal with life's uncertainties. If you fear losing your home to a foreclosure, set up an emergency savings account. If you fear losing your spouse to another person or losing your client, figure out what it takes to keep them. 9. Continue to learn. Continue to grow by constantly trying to learn and improve your skills. Take all opportunities, learn a new skill. Read top thought leaders' books and read everything you can about your industry. The more you know, the less risk you have to take to be successful. 10. Accept your challenges. Stay on the course even after confronting challenges and fears. Instead of hiding, face what lies ahead. In many cases, fear is just in your head. Most of what you fear will never come to pass. Don't waste time worrying when you can get ahead by living. We can't and shouldn't let fear drive our decisions. We shouldn't let fear stop us from what we want and what we deserve. We shouldn't let fear have control. So, deal with fear so you can start focusing on the most important things like accomplishing your goals. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. Stay connected.